Okay, this is going out through my garage. And this is what I saw when I went out this morning. It's my door. I'm going to open it and try not to get hit by snow. This is the doorway. This is the snowbank. This is my neighbor's house. And here is their roof. I don't know how they're going to get this cleared. This is just unbelievable. We actually walked the dog out the snow pit. There's the back of their house. And this is the snowbank. It goes and goes and goes. And it's still snowing. And here's my backyard. Poor little doggy had to go out. This is just amazing. Look at the roof. My roof looks like this too. I peeked out. Oh my gosh. It's solid snow out my door. It's crazy.